our machine has been really popular and then took off in a way that we hadn't even anticipated or hoped for. We are distributing or dispensing safer sex and harm reduction supplies such as condoms, HIV self-test kits, safer injection kits, Narcan first aid kits, COVID-19 kits, and pregnancy test kits. And we have been able to be pretty flexible and responsive with the machine. We had the machine designed around a specific size box to go inside it. And so as long as those supplies fit in a box, we've been able to dispense them fairly easily and be adaptive and responsive to input from clients about what works best in the machine and what kinds of supplies that they need. So some of the benefits to the harm reduction machine for us has been creating a low barrier entry point to our organization that then introduces clients to our larger mission as an organization that provides HIV, hepatitis C, and STI testing and prevention education. It's been really easy for us due to the back-end software to track the number of clients who are enrolled and the number of supplies. So it makes reporting really easy for us, really helpful to be able to show that impact and those outcomes very quickly using that back-end software. The machines can be pretty adaptive to the kinds of supplies that you include. The benefits to clients is a low barrier entry point to our organization. They get to access the supplies that they need without having to engage with a staff member because they can enroll online through a form that we created that collects just a few pieces of information to create a very basic profile. Or if they don't have a smart device or internet access, then they can use an iPad, which is next to the vending machine. So it created, the machine created extra capacity for us to be able to distribute and keep track of those supplies.